Hello everyone, this is Suneet Saxena and today we have an unboxing video. So I've ordered a cycle with gears and a cycle which is foldable, and it's not even expensive. So I have ordered a HRX XTRM MTB 900 bicycle. So let's unbox it. So going ahead and getting the carton. So I've ordered that from Flipkart. It just arrived today and now we'll be doing the unboxing. So guys, we will be unboxing this. Let's start the unboxing. So guys, as you can see, this comes with a 2 years of warranty. The actual cost of this is 45,999. However, I got it for around 12,000 in the Big Billion Day sale. So the straps are out and I'll start opening this. So guys, this is the seat. I'll just keep it here. And then I am gonna keep it here. And apart from that, we've got a manual. I am just gonna put it on the other side. And let's do away with the box. So guys, this is the cycle. As you can see, I am gonna unpack it. So guys, these are the tools. This is the front wheel. Here. These are the two paddles. this is my HRX foldable bike. Let's see how we can fold this. So guys, this is how this bike can be folded. You can put inside probably one of the car dicky or Hey guys, this is Suneet Saxena and you are watching Unofficial Suneet Saxena. So we are in Rajendra Nagar. So guys, this is Rajendra Nagar locality in Bareilly. This is one of the posh areas and this is like the perfect track for cycling. So guys, this is the Bake Bihari Mandir and this is the Shield Chauraha. Hey everyone, this is Suneet. Welcome to Unofficial Suneet Saxena. So I got this cycle around 6 months back and I'd already recorded the unboxing. Somehow I didn't get any time to post this vlog. So today what I thought, probably I'll just go out for a ride, use my new DJI Action 2, which is a small camera by DJI. So as you can see, today I am started cycling very recently. This is Tivrinath Mandir, and this is the statue of Shiva. I will probably make a vlog where I'll be visiting the Tivrinath Mandir, as well as will show you the front of the statue as well. So guys, like, share and subscribe to Unofficial Suneet Saxena. Wow! So let's go to Disket, Nubra Valley.